When I was in 7th grade, I was the fat kid in my class.
Ew.
All right, forget it.
No.
Be cool, Sally. Come on.
I'm sorry. Please, go ahead. My mistake.
I've looked at these women, these perfect, beautiful, just unbelievable, skinny women. I couldn't understand why I didn't look like them. I just didn't get it. So I became...
What?
bulimic.
You can read minds.
Yes, bulimics can read minds, anorexic teleport, and people who eat bowlfuls of dirt every day can grow potatoes out of their armpits. It's amazing.